Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix a problem when you can't find any games on the Google Play Store using OPPO A98. To this, first let's open a Google Play Store. Now inside in the top search we can try to find the games like Call of Duty. And as you can see, there's a game right here, but if we click on it, nothing happens. To fix this, go back, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and navigate to the settings. Enter Family. Now go for Parental Controls. And here you can disable them entirely with a switch or select Apps and Games, insert your PIN code, click on OK and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save those settings afterwards, and if we try to find the games again, it's right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.